Hi, it's Kassy with Imagine, and today we're going to make a quick, really fun and cute canvas board using a bunch of different colors of VersaColor ink. I have all these really cute little cubes of ink, and they are all really amazing, vibrant, beautiful colors. So I first prepped my board with white gesso, and I put that aside to dry, and now I'm going to stamp the sentiment that I'm going to put on the top of this canvas board on this white cardstock and cut it out. Now this red I used is called Cardinal. All of the ink I'm using for this entire project is from VersaColor, from that line. Okay, then I have Opera Pink, and I'm coloring that whole heart and even around it with a sponge dauber. And then I have a large sponge dauber because I'm going to cover the rest of this canvas, and that really works to get great coverage. This ink color is called turquoise, and you'll see when I take this off here how wonderfully it blends with that pink. Gives it a really nice purple color. And I wanted to have a little bit of shading with the two blues, so I've got a little bit darker blue here that I'm just coming in a few different areas, and look at that. It's crisp through a stencil. The color is amazing and vibrant and really gorgeous. It's just really fun and easy to work with. So I've just finished that pattern on the edge of the board there to complete it, and look at how quick and easy that was. I'm just going to add a few extra elements to accentuate certain pieces of this canvas, and then I'm going to be done. I have the Irresistible Pico Embellisher in Sparkle that I've covered that heart with, just to give it a little shine and dimension. And then I wanted to extend that shine and dimension to the rest of the piece. Of course, it's hard to see in this video, but if you looked at it in person, actually you can kind of see some of that splatter there in the clear with the goosebumps. And then of course I needed to have a little bit of contrast, so I'm adding some black Pico Embellisher there as a splatter. So I have my sentiment, and I want it to be raised a little bit, so we're putting some foam adhesive on the back. And then I decided to take my sponge dauber and just line the edge with the black VersaColor just to help it stand out from the background a little bit. That background is really busy, a lot going on. I wanted to keep this really simple because of that, and really just showcase the color and that pattern, and this nice sentiment that says "Find the blessing" and everything. So I have one final element here that I've added, that I'm adding, that is that resin flower in purple. And again, I colored it with the VersaColor ink, and I splattered all of it, or I sprayed all of it with some sparkle spray. And then as an adhesive, I always use the creative medium in, well, really any color is fine. The clear obviously is great because if it comes through, it's clear and you won't see it, but it works really well as an adhesive for all sorts of things. So there's my final project. Super fun and easy to make, really bright and cheerful. You could hang this on the wall or have it, sit on a desk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration.